This is our EMCO Concept Mill 250. This is a standard 3-axis machining center. It's called a 3-axis machining center because you can do a lot of milling and drilling with this particular machine. So if you kind of come in here, you can take a look. We do have a BT 40 or a CT40 tool spindle in there that gives us nice cutting capacity with our tooling and our tool holders. We've got the machine vise in there, but what's really nice about this, it's a production machine, of course. We come around here and we've got our automatic tool changing system. So this machine has a capacity to hold 20 different cutting tools, all of which would change out. So from a CNC manufacturing perspective, this machine would hold 20 different tools, and we could make a lot of different parts in a very fast, quick, efficient method here with this CNC machining center.